Currently running. So I'm currently running super late for this helicopter trip that I have booked. Made a little stop off to help someone shift house, and I think I'm gonna hopefully make it there with 2 minutes to go. Yeah, I think that's a bit of a recurring theme for me. Okay, so I might have had to look on Google Maps to figure out what a few of these places are, despite living in the city for a long time. First up, we've got Anzac Bridge, and then Jones Bay Wharf. And this cool turret thing here is called Fort Denison. Okay, and these are like the northern points of Sydney Harbour, so I think this might be Bradley Head. Okay, at this point I was just crossing the sea. This is just some rocks, some fishermen, and this might be Middle Head. At this point I realised I was sitting on the wrong side of the helicopter. But here we have Bondi Beach, and this is the Harry Seidler apartment on the eastern suburbs of Sydney. This is the Port Jackson radio tower overlooking Dunbar Head, and that's a compass. Okay, at this point we're already coming to the finish, so here's some suburbs. This is Sportsfield in Cronulla, and that's Sydney Airport. Jets are plane about to take off. So those were the photos that came out of the many that I took. But I think overall the 55 to 210 lens held up pretty well, considering it was a kit. It was sharp, considering the speed and vibration of the helicopter. I think the OSS really helped with that, and I got a few that I was really happy with.
Let's make love.
It was pretty fun. We were in a little 4-seater helicopter, if you count the pilot, and we basically took the route over Darling Harbour, then out over the Harbour Bridge, out over the beach, past Bondi, Bronte, then back in over Maroubra, then back to the airport. So it felt like it was like lightning, even though it was probably a full 15 minutes. Looking forward to seeing if I got any shots from that. One thing I noticed, it was so fast that, and keeping the shutter speed and everything as I was, I'm anticipating that half of them are going to be blurry, so I'll see if anything came out. But anyway, still worth it. I have to say one more thing about that helicopter trip. The pilot, seriously, was about 15 years old. I basically judge most people if I'm looking at the side of their head by the amount of beard, and there was not a lot of beard. So anyway, he seemed pretty good, and I'm still alive.